Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about this water-based powdered wood dye I get from Lee Valley here in Canada, water-based, to make these mystical wizard trees, and also my favorite, minwax polyshade. My name's Jordy Johnson. My name's Grumpy Jesse, and this is Carving Fusion by Jordy Johnson. See ya. Peekaboo. Okay, guys, so this is very old maple wood, and it's very tough. So in my opinion, I think this is the way it goes. The harder the wood, the less it has the chance to suck the dye deep into the wood. Okay, so the dye will basically just most likely stay on the surface and not go very far at all. So for my wizard theme, I've decided I've wanted to make it like a fall color theme, because you know you got the orange and the red colors and stuff like that. I got this red little totem spirit pole carved out of it. I got this little people tree. But see guys, on this piece I used the green dye, and then I went over top of it with the polyshade, okay? So I'm going to show you the steps that I do this with. So, okay, so right now I got three colors mixed up. I got yellow. This is mixed up for a while, and I just keep it in here for whenever I need a yellow color. I got this from my friend Pete. Here's a yellow color. Here's a red, and here's a green, okay? This is the stuff that I use, guys. I'm in Canada. This stuff comes from Lee Valley, okay? This is water-based wood powder dye. I know it looks orange, but believe me, it's green. So if you want to take a screenshot of this right now, go for it. I'll hold it here. I don't know if there's Lee Valley in America, but this is in Canada. So this is all the dyes that I have is this brand. Okay, so let's get on with the show. So I have a few different paintbrushes. I want to make these a few different colors, okay? So like I want the under here to be green. Okay, underneath the shadow line to be green in under here. And then I want it to be red and, okay, so yellow and red turn into orange, I believe. So I'm not worried about mixing the colors up, but I just want to make sure I kind of get my green color under the shadow line. And I don't really care if it runs. You know what I mean, guys? Like it's a friggin' wizard theme. It doesn't have to be. So, you see what I'm doing? I'm just giving it a better shadow line underneath those curves. So let me get that done, the shadow line, and I'll be back with the other colors. Okay, so you can see here I got all the green done. It's a silly, whimsical tree. I don't know if I said I taped off the bottom because I'm sloppy, so I can't run down here under the trunk. Okay, so I got that done. So now let's go on to red. So I know it's bright right now, but once I put the polyshade on it after, you'll see. I want to kind of leave a little bit the tips blank for the yellow. So you know, you guys can follow and understand what I'm doing. I'm making three different colors on the tree. And so the red will turn into orange and it will turn into yellow because I'll put yellow over top of some of the red. Okay, so I'll get this done and then I'll be back. Okay, you can see there we got the red done. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the yellow. So I want to put it over top of the red too. So let's start at the top here to get some orange color in here, right? Once it dries, it will blend in. I hope. So you'll see red, yellow, orange, kind of like fall colors. I don't know. It will darken a lot more once I put the minwax polyshade on it. So I know these colors are seeming really bright right now. And you guys, when you're doing stuff like this, you're having fun. You're trying stuff out. You're testing. It's trial and error, guys. You know, enjoy it. If you're not enjoying it, well, if you don't enjoy doing stuff like this, well, bottom line is I can say just, I guess, don't do it. Okay, so I'll get this done. And then what I'm going to do is get the blow dryer, my heat gun, and dry it off quickly. Okay guys, so I got both the trees done. So they look like they look like they're circus trees right now. So because they're so bright, you know, like they look like they're flames actually with, you know, red, orange, and yellow colors. But you can see how the colors blended together kind of, right? So, and the darker undercuts there. So now this is where shit's going to get real, guys. So I got this polyshade mahogany. This is a mahogany color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe this polyshade on. Then wipe it off with this rag, and then I'm going to hit it with my sander, and I'll show you what I mean. So let me just show you what I mean by shit's going to get real, because this shit's going to look so friggin' dark. I already got it mixed up there. I just had to keep the lid on. So, but yeah, oh shit just got real. Look how dark it went. But look, you still see the red underneath there, and this mahogany is a red color too. Okay, so I'm going to get this done, and I'll show you when I sand it. Hold on. Oh shit just got real. Oh no, it's too dark. No, it's not too dark. I don't want these bright colors in my wizard theme anyways. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so there's the shit. This just got real. So look at the dark points in there. You know, you can't really tell the color transition too much on this video, and I can't even really see it too much looking at it in real life, but it's there. It's there. Okay, so now I got this. I show it in all my videos, guys. It's in my playlist. If you ever want to make one of these, it's on the flex shaft. Just look at my playlist how to make this. It's Emery cloth sandpaper, okay? So that polyshade is still wet. So I use this. This is 80 grit on this because I want it to be a bit more aggressive. And now I'm going to go along and lightly sand the high points. But I'm really going to sand where the edges are, okay? So I'm going to sand higher here all the way around so you can see the swirls in it, and it will really bring it out, okay? Okay, you see that? See the high points now? It's brighter than darker, and it really stands out. So I'm just going to go along and lightly touch in the field area. Okay, so there you go. So now it's a little bit too bright in the field area, so I'm going to hit the bottoms again, okay? All along these tops, the high points, I'm going to hit them again, and I'll be back, and I'll show you what both trees look like. Okay, so there you go. Here's your two mystical wizard trees. So you can see where I'm talking about where I stained it green. You can really see that effect now. You can't really see the transition from green. You can see the green, but you can't really see the orange to yellow. Well, red, orange to yellow. You can't, but believe me, trust me, it's there. So hope you guys hope this video could help somebody. And once again, my name's Jordy from Carving Fusion, and let's continue forward with our wood carvings, guys. Oh yeah, they're gonna look wicked in the village.